Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back again for the mini story A Boy and Girl. If you want to improve your speaking English skills, you have to listen this of mini story all the time. Listening this kind of mini story, you can improve your listening skills. So I will help you to improve your listening skills. That's why I will tell you a mini story today. You have to listen this mini story so many times. So today's mini story is A Boy and Girl. Let's start. Let's begin. Listen carefully. A boy and girl were part of the same team for their high school sports competition. The girl had a crush on him for a very long time, but was not sure how to say it to him. In spite of that, she mustered some courage and casually said, "Hey, you know what?" Boy replied, "What?" "Girl, you have the prettiest smile I have ever seen." The boy's eyes glared and he replied, "You know what?" "Girl, what?" "Boy, the smile exists only because of you." So, brother and sister, this was the mini story. If you don't know the word meaning, try to guess the word meaning and listen so many times this mini story and find out from your dictionary all the word meaning. But I will tell you this of word meaning the next lesson. For the vocabulary lesson, A Boy and Girl.